Hello, look what I got. Yes, today we are going to dissect the social media content of Blinkit. Before we get into the content that they post on social media, let me tell you a quick story. If you've been here for a while, you already know all the issues that I have with stepping out of the house. So obviously, everything in my house is home delivered. Now earlier, it was just Instamart that I was using, but once Grofers became Blinkit, I started using it extensively. It came to a point when one of these days our society application sent me a notification saying that I have a visitor from Grofers. In my head, I just went like, what the hell is Grofers? It took me 10 seconds to come back and realize that Blinkit was earlier Grofers. That's how well they have done their rebranding. Okay, now let's get into their social media content. Everything that you see here is moment marketing. Now, of course, they are a Zomato acquired brand. How can they not be good at moment marketing? All the names that you see here are brands that are available on Blinkit. While promoting their brand on social media, they also make sure to promote these brands alongside. Everything that you see here is all relatable content. This is IP, intellectual property that they have created, which is a podcast. All these brands that you see here, their founders or people from their teams have come on the podcast and Blinkit talks about that. They also do a little bit of behind the scenes content, and these are the locations that they are now entering into. This was my dissection of Blinkit's social media content. Let me know in the comments which brand should I dissect next.